My name's Logan and welcome to Jackass. Before we get into this video, I just want to give you guys a quick reminder to go down to the link in bio. We have brand new logo OZ shirts up on the website, and they are only going to be available until this following weekend, which is the 5th or 6th. Through the weekend, that gives you guys time, you know, if you guys get paid, come out, support. This is our first drop in a while, and it is dedicated to tri-spokes. We all love tri-spokes. All the boys got tri-spokes. I let the friends have tri-spokes, and all my cars have tri-spokes. So check out the back design. Prisoner to tri-spokes. Rain or shine, in typical Florida fashion. We got to film outside no matter the weather conditions. So check down below, get your guys self a shirt. They'll be shipped out ASAP, and get rocking some OZT. Let's get back into the video. And welcome back to another vlog. The family and I just got back from the Keys. We were gonna vlog that, drop it for you guys just to maybe enjoy something different. And then there was a whole lot of, you know, hospital and Orlando and back, and so it just didn't work. But everybody's good, don't worry about that. We are home finally. I got home about 20 minutes ago, put the boat and unloaded the truck, and now off to OSW to go watch a little bit of drifting, meet up with some friends, and then we've got the Slaughterhouse Highwaymob meet tonight, so I'm super hyped for that. Gonna meet up with Vithy and Dre, as well as some other homies at OSW. We'll see who comes with us, but should be out and about tonight. Tyler and the boys are still in the Keys, so they will not be here for this video, but I think Charles and some other friends and stuff are gonna be meeting up with us. So I'm gonna hit OSW. I will bring you guys along, maybe see some skids and stuff, and then just see where the night takes us with the meet, and then whatever we're doing after. So C35 is the unit of the day. So letting her warm up, and then we are gonna be out of here. I got my bag, got my stickers. Maybe if anybody comes up and says what's up, throw you a sticker. Obviously you're gonna see this after, but maybe that's your chance. Next time you see me out and about, see if I got a sticker, maybe I'll slide you one. Let's go to OSW. Upon arrival, I chose the farthest spot available. I just like being close to this, because on events and days where it really gets packed, it is so hard to go from all the way over there through the line over here, because people aren't that nice. They don't let you out. But we are walking up to OSW, gonna grab my ticket, and then Vithy and Dre are meeting me here. Gonna go say what's up to some boys. A couple people got some stocks for us to bring home, and I don't know what time we're heading out, what time we're leaving, what time we're hitting the meet, but I'm just here to film, so hopefully you guys enjoy. I don't know if you guys recognize those goobers.
me, sir. Oh wait, the jungle mobile? That shit's still alive?
Actually, A64 audio pistol for 480.
Smile.
Yo, what's up? You recording?
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, guys? Yeah, I haven't been in the camera in a minute. Let me just grab this bit real quick. How y'all doing, man? I don't even think they can hear me. I miss you guys.
I miss you too.
Where you at?
Guys.
Okay, blow him a kiss.
Yes, sir. We just left OSW and had to get that Bev to go. You know what I'm saying? It's been a very long day. That trucker Bev, bro. That 16-ounce sugar-free, you get 2 for $7.50. Come on, man.
Talk to him.
But yeah, we're running a little bit late to the meet, so hopefully it's not going to be too crazy, and hopefully we can get a spot there for a little while before cops come, and then we got a second spot. We'll see how it goes, and we might go do some night skits tonight. So y'all get a little bit of everything. Hope you guys enjoy.
Some night drifting would be fun.
I'm saying, bro. And
Night drifting would be
Vinny's
fun.
first time. So in the last video, I was talking about how I got my G35. Well, Vinny got the matching G35, but he got a lot more goodies, and his is running well. So we'll get him to talk about it here in a little while. But there's mobs to the meet. Hopefully, a lot of people outside.
Jay!
Alright everybody, welcome to Hobby Lobby. We'll go do a walk. We decided to park a little bit far just because if this one gets shut down and we ain't got too many people posted up here other than like all the Slaughterhouse boys, so we're just gonna be posted up out here, cooling, maybe make this the spot, make it easier to head out, but we is outside. We'll do a walk here in a couple, we'll see who we got and see where the night takes us. I feel like I'm in the 1320 right now, bitch. I feel like I'm recording for 1320.
Oh, no,
bro.
it's not. It's not.
Or the other race things.
It's not 1320, bro. It's 1030.
He wouldn't know. He's slow. He doesn't know about 1320.
Bro, only thing slow about me, bro, is my fucking metabolism, nigga. That's why I'm fat, bro.
Bro.
You fucking weird. You want to get a video? That shit looks like ice cream.
Green, like you actually come out to the east side. Yo! Yo! about that? Comment right now, chat. Like, that's how you guys talk on the chat? K-Wavy be with Pop and Touches now, squatted truck. Chat!
Double digit demons in the building. Double digit demons in the building.
Biggest meet in Orlando for sure. They didn't lie.
Oh, it's blurry.
What that is? Oh, dude, his wheels light up. Sir Lewis, hopefully that's just AC.
I'll check. It's AC.
Cool guy.
When the fuck did they cut this out? They built this whole place. Oh, what the?
Yeah.
This is even a deal, remember? What the fuck?
Training footage. It was a lot of 1-2 shot. 1-2 shot.
Right as I pick up the camera, I miss the W. Knockout, knockout. But we just left the meet. Thanks to everybody that came out. There was a really good turnout. More people than I thought. Although there was some music and some people revving and stuff, it wasn't like obnoxious. So again, thank you guys for being, you know, pretty respectful. But we are here at the gas station. Of course, we got to hit our local Wawa. Get ready for some activities tonight. Probably not too much, but enough to bring the camera along and film some. So we'll see how it goes. Might slide my car, might not. At least Vitti's car is going to be slid. So we left to meet. A lot of people were still there. It's like 12:30. I'm tired anyways. We're just gonna go find a cool spot in Mexico, of course, and see what we can do there. But the cars are looking mighty fresh. I know Vitti's really enjoying his. He got like 225 on one side, 245 on the other side. Rears are both the same, so that's okay. Andre will be out the car. He'll be able to slide it. Should have no issues. Mine, on the other hand, I do be rubbing. So we shall see. Hey, I know this guy. You're gonna open down pipe? Down pipe. No. All right, well, we made it all the way out to Mexico.
It was a long drive.
Yeah, it's literally 3 days later, so we're just gonna see if she rips. All right, have fun.
You gotta go for the big entry first rip.
Nah.
Yeah, why not?
Bro, how long's it been since he's slid, bro?
Couple years, but I got faith in him. I got faith in him. You got that.
Me too, I think so.
I got that.
Yo! Bro, he got that in him still. Come on,
But he
man.
been feeding, boy. He been studying Adam Z for the past 2 years, boy.
I'm surprised he doesn't have like a Seto or nothing yet. Sitting at home.
Type shit.
What's wrong?
I think she's in limp mode.
Bro? For real? Why?
What?
It don't smell good. I'm gonna cool off.
Yeah, just
Yo, let that bitch cool off.
you turn it off?
I turned it off.
What's your name?
My name's Logan and welcome to Jackass. There you go. All right, so welcome to the school of learning how to drift.
Yeah. To be honest, like, you don't really do this for real. Like,
Yeah, type.
to be honest,
Hey,
I've been throwing takeovers. I'm sorry.
Yo, drop link in bio. 50's G was hitting. It went into limp mode once, but
Yeah, but
that intake,
after it.
I feel like has like a little bit to do with it maybe, and I think something was caught underneath because we were seeing it like drive away. I don't know if I have it in the video or not, but it was like somebody's ashing a cigarette. Like something either got caught or I don't know, maybe like part of the cat.
Yeah?
I mean, a little bit. Don't go like.
My car is there.
I know, I got you.
You should. All right.
No way! That is getting down, bro. Bro, go! Come on, man! Come on, man! Quit playing with the boy! Come on!
Hey man, look. We just having fun, you know what I'm saying?
That's
We don't
it.
condone this behavior, but we just having a little fun.
Bro, you made so much smoke. It's not even if I can't even see, bro.
That's like $1,000 in tires right
Yeah,
now.
facts, bro. You got to give it back to the rental place tomorrow, anyway. So. But yeah, bro, G was hitting. G. Bro, so smoky. G was hitting. First skids actually, right? By you? Yeah, first real skids.
Yeah, first. I'll call it first.
And then, yeah, every once in a while I'll just go in the back roads and hit that. But it felt good here. A couple times where it gets a little bit like understeery and stuff. Probably a little bit of angle and stuff that I get messed with.
Not much,
But yeah, it did its job. So probably hit home. We'll see what we're doing. It's like 2 in the morning. Dunkin' or?
Do it.
Yeah! Yeah! That boy got
Car X paying off. Car X is paying off.
Boy! Quit playing with the boy! Come on,
Hey,
man!
bro, listen, bro. I told you, bro. I'm drinking big right now for real, nigga.
What? Bro! Oh, that's
much
good,
RX
bro.
already.
Come on, man. Come on, man. I guess we all got to get like a set of setups and stuff because that's what the kids are doing nowadays. I guess it's making it work. So
the same as a setup.
yeah, facts.
sim, but
What? All right. Well, now we'll catch you guys at home. Totally forgot to take my wheels out. I got multiple wheels back there. I got a speaker. I got so much stuff back there, but she does the job and got the 8 piece going, so we're not complaining.